DaVinci for beginners. So easy. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to do a blanking fill on an image or a video. Basically, what I'm talking about is removing this left and right black bars and replacing them with a little bit of faded version of this current image or a video. So let's get started. It's very easy to do. The first thing is go down to Open Effects, either search down or type it. It is called blanking fill. Just drag and drop to our footage. And you can see now that this has been applied already. This is only the default, but it's fully customizable on the right side in the inspector under the effects. Just make sure that it's on and we can continue. And you can change how the fill appearance work. You can blend the edges, blur the background, and change the fade amount. Let's try the first setting, but I'm not recommending this one. Let's focus on a blur background. You can increase it or decrease it, up to your liking. This is actually pretty handy to give it a little bit more of definition to the image or the video. Now let's try the third option, the fade amount. This is like desaturating the image, and you can choose also the background color. Let's now try the advanced option, the drop shadow. I use this a lot because it's separating the image from the background. You can also change the color of the drop shadow if you want. And all these settings are working together just to stylize image or a video. Alright, so I hope this was helpful video for you, and I will see you in the next tutorial for DaVinci Resolve. Take care!